Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have a finish from diamondart.uk. Yes, I got a PR package from Diamond Art UK. It came with 12 greeting cards, and it came with a butterfly package, a butterfly canvas. And I want to show you, I completed them. And they were so much fun to do. The drills were nice. There was not a lot of trash, not enough for me to save and show you. I just had fun completing these. And there is only, I've only had 2 drills slide. So, but it is warm in the garage, so the glue is not settling. So anyway, I'm going to show you the finishes. They are beautiful. And I've already given some cards away for birthdays. So some of you actually have your hands on the finished product. So let me show you. Okay. Here is the cards that I still have in my possession. So I finished that one. And this one had, I added some special drills on the end. See the teardrops? I had some extra. I added that because this bird didn't have any special drills in it. So I did add those. This sunflower was full of special drills. And it is one of my subscribers' birthday today. And I'm a slacker, so I need to mail this to her. There's lots of special drills in this sunflower. I had so much fun placing everything. Beautiful, beautiful card. This one had a bunch of special drills. It had the pink, the clear, the peach, the blue. Just beautiful. I loved it. Like I said, great drills. And the cards are not small. I mean, see my hand? So they're good size. This one was another one. It was my absolute fave to do. Look at all the special drills and these little teardrops. They're fun to place, but you might be on a roll just diamond painting and knocking colors out. But when you get to these, you got to slow down and place them. There's no multi-placing going on here. You just got to go slow and place each one. Using tweezers was really difficult. I found using the end of a multi-placer was my best bet. So that's how I placed this shape. So beautiful. I just love it. And this one is a memory from my mother. I did add some ABs right in here. And I love it. It's a rose. My mother's name was Rosie. So this is, and my mother's birthday is in April. Along with her death date, it's in April as well. But this, I think I'm just going to frame the rose. I'm going to cut this part off. So to make it a card, all you do is fold it in half. Now you have a card. There's nothing inside, so people can put whatever they want in there. And they come with all the envelopes, and they fit. Their envelopes are a little large, but they fit. So, beautiful set of 12 cards, and pretty. And the drills are phenomenal. I need to go on the website and put a review in. Super, super duper nice. The cards were super duper. And also part of the PR package, I got a canvas. And I was going to do this in 2 parts. I did this one, but something has come up in my life and my channel's going to change a little bit. But this one I did part on a whip and chat with my sister, which will come next week. But I finished it. It's beautiful. And I want to show you the glow real quick. Let me just run this light over it again. I don't really think it needs it because these drills are so nice. But this is called Luminus Butterfly, and it truly is luminous. Wait till you see. So I just want to make sure we get some luminous going on over here. All right, I am going to shut the light out. You know, the big light that Mr. Pamper doesn't like when I shut off. I'm going to shut that light out so you can see. Because it was glowing before, so let's see. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let me bring you down a little bit. Pretty. Let me bring you up. Super pretty. Let's see. Oh, you can see it there. See? It's beautiful. It's the lighting in here, so, but it really does glow in the dark. For some reason, you're not getting it like I'm getting it, but isn't that pretty? I love it. It is so pretty. So I don't know if I'm going to put this one in a frame or if I'm just going to get rid of it or sell it, but I might just keep it. I'm not sure what I'm doing with it yet. But this is my finish, and this has got lots of special drills, as you can see. It's got these half pearls. It's got the, I want to keep calling them teardrops, but they're not really teardrops. These are teardrops. So, and it's got the glow-in-the-dark drills. It's just a fun project. And it's a partial, obviously, because you don't diamond paint the background. Just the butterfly and the frame. So, and it does have the frame on the outside. So, absolutely beautiful. Thank you, diamondart.uk. I appreciate you. Thank you for letting me show your wonderful, wonderful products. I really like it a lot. And I am pampered with diamonds. And I want everyone to be kind to everyone you meet.